Hello everyone, I'm Shannon and welcome to our introduction and inspiration video for the June 2025 Hero Studio release. In this video, I will cover all 6 monthly subscription options, starting off with the card kit of the month. This month's kit includes the Summer State of Mind Clear Stamp Set, the Summer State of Mind Coordinating Dies, the Beach Bag Die Set, Sand Embossing Powder, and 10 half sheets of color cardstock in colors of fawn, coral, seaside, waterfall, and blue spruce. First up, we have the Summer State of Mind stamp set. This is a 6x8 clear stamp set and contains a ton of images to build a relaxing coastal beach scene. In addition to all the images, there are also 8 sentiments that pair perfectly with this set. There's also a coordinating die set that will die cut out all of the images and even those 8 sentiments. Also included in the card kit is the Beach Bag Die Set. Cut a stylish beach bag brimming with summer essentials like champagne, baguette, flowers, and sunglasses, everything you need for a perfect afternoon at the beach. And of course, what's the beach without a little bit of sand? Also included in the kit is this awesome sand embossing powder. Use this to add some wonderful texture and shine to your projects. And the last thing included in the card kit is a pack of colored cardstock. You get 10 half sheets of 5 different colors. The colors are fawn, coral, blue spruce, waterfall, and seaside. Now that we've finished our overview of the June card kit of the month, let's look at our other monthly subscriptions, starting off with the June die set of the month. This month's die set is Summer Memories, and these dies create the cutest little Polaroid camera with all the details. There are even dies that allow you to create Polaroid pictures that carry on this month's beach theme. Our next subscription option is the Stampin' Cut of the month. Seashells is this month's Stampin' Cut. This is an awesome 2-step stamp set, meaning each one of these shells has 2 layers, a base and then a detail layer. You can use these stamps individually or together. There's also sentiments and dies for not only the shells but the sentiments as well. Next up is our Cling Stamp of the month. The June Cling of the month is the awesome Seaside Stripe stamp. This is a 6x6 red rubber cling and is perfect for adding some pattern to your backgrounds and really carrying on that coastal feel. Our next subscription option is the Layering Stencils of the month. The June layering stencils of the month is this awesome hydrangea layering stencil set. There are 4 stencils in the set. Each stencil is labeled and has registration marks, making it very easy to line these stencils up. Use a different ink color for each stencil layer to create a beautiful arrangement of hydrangeas that have lots of depth and interest. Now let's finish up with our final subscription option, the Whole Studio. The Whole Studio includes all 5 subscription options in one, plus a bonus item. To quickly recap, the June Whole Studio includes the June Card Kit of the Month, the June Die Set of the Month, Summer Memories, the June Stamp and Cut of the Month, Seashells, the June Cling of the Month, Seaside Stripe, the June Layering Stencil of the Month, Hydrangea, and the bonus item for Whole Studio subscribers is the Hiya Friend Stamp and Cut. The Hiya Friend Stamp and Cut is a fabulous sentiment set. There are 3 bold main sentiments: Summer, Hiya, and Friend. In addition to those main sentiments, there are also sub-sentiments that can be paired with those main sentiments, and even a sentiment strip die to die cut them out. And that completes our closer look at the June Hero Studio release. Be sure to check out our blog hops celebrating this incredible release, packed with even more inspiration from our creative team and special guests. You can find that inspiration as well as pick up your June Hero Studio products at heroarts.com. Thank you so much for spending time with us today.